leading us all by an example. You have created this great temple of learning for all of us. And we thank you for this great sir, no problem, sir. No problem.
Now, I request our beloved Pro-Chancellor Mr. Vishnu Manchu to come onto the dais and welcome today's chief guest, Professor T.G. Sitaram Garu, Chairman, All India Council of Technical Education, Government of India. Please, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to introduce to you Shri T.G. Sitaram Garu, a remarkable individual whose achievements and contributions have made a significant impact in his field. He is a distinguished professor of civil engineering at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, India. He obtained his PhD from the University of Alberta in Canada and has since dedicated his career to the advancing of the field of geotechnical engineering. As a researcher, he has made significant contributions to the understanding of the behavior of soils, particularly in the areas of ground improvement and geosynthetics. His research has been published in over 400 papers in international journals and conference proceedings, and he has been cited over 12,000 times. In brief, Shri T.G. Sitaram Garu is a distinguished professor, prolific researcher, and a dedicated educator whose contributions to the field of geotechnical engineering have been nothing short of remarkable. His work has been advanced in understanding of soil behavior and has contributed to the development of infrastructure and economic growth in India. Thank you.
Now, I request our chief guest, T.G. Sitaram Garu, to come onto the dais. Please, sir. Now, I request our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. M. Mohan Babu Garu, beloved Pro-Chancellor Shri Vishnu Manchu, Shri Manoj Kumar Manchu, and Srimati Lakshmi Prasanna to felicitate our chief guest. Chief guest to present Dr. D. Ramalu Gold Medal to K. Sushma, BCom CA.